I show you how to add private or public document binder in the application LOV111, and today I will try to explain you how to add and what is it a private and public document binder together. Also, private and public document together means that if you are inside of private document binder, you can make some documents public for other members of your company organization. But in this case they will be created both of them. That means there will be a private document binder and public document binder. We will show it on an example now, and in the description of this tutorial we will find information how to download the application. It takes 15 seconds. Also, you have to go to the website of LOV111. You have to download and then you have to unzip, and in the folder you have to push start LOV111. Then as login and password we have to give human. That's all. It takes 15 seconds. My pronunciation is very bad, but I hope you will understand what I say. And now we can go to the step where we will create a document binder. Also, that's private and public document binder. Public together. And we can give here some index. It's no matter for us now, and we can assign the document binder to a team. All teams are here on the left side in the structure. Some number, it's not important for us now. Description, that's exactly the same what you have got in private or public binder, but if we choose private and public, you will see, have you noticed the difference here? You have got owners, private members, private editors, and now you will have additional public members, public editors. Why? Because there are two binders created now. That's the private, it's blue, it's signed as blue, and there is a red binder, and that means that's public binder here. Also, the binders belongs together. They have got the same name and they have got the same index here. If you will find for the document binders, you will get as a result exactly the both binders here. Okay, but maybe I show you an example. You can follow the binders, because here if you push the button you can follow the binders. It means if you were on vacation, you come back and then you can see what happened here inside of the binder. Some documents were added or something was edited. Okay, but we can go now into the binder and we can add some documents. I will show you how to work in this case. Also, Word document, Word. Okay, that's private here. you will see, and I will explain you why. It's private, and now we add PDF, for example, PDF and picture PDF. If you want that the item here is visible for public members, also for the public document binder, you have to set the checkbox here, and you have to set documents that should be visible for public members here. But now we make exactly like it was private or public document binder. Also everything is private here. Okay, and now we can add picture, and we can make the picture visible for the public members, and you will see the difference. Also, what I have to do now, I have to set the checkbox here. It's visible for public members, and I can now add some documents. In our case, we add a picture, and we make this picture public here. This picture will be public. Also, you see now there is an eye. There is an orange eye. That means this document is visible for another people. If I add another attachment, another picture, for example, you can add this picture here, and it will be private picture. Also, if you go to the public document binder, people who have no rights to see the content of private binder, they will not see this picture here, because there is no orange eye, orange document. Okay, now also this picture, only this picture will be visible from the other public binder, because here can see only private members everything, not public members. Okay, we go maybe to the another document binder, to the public, and you will see, also in my case I'm service, also I can see everything here. But what happened if I push the item here? I will get some notifications here. I have no rights to see the content. Only here I can see only this here, but not this. In my case I see, because I'm service. If I switch the user, I will lose this video, because I use Xbox to record this tutorial. Also, I can't do that, but believe me, it works exactly so as I say. And now, what is possible here? Maybe I can show you that you can make you can show all documents on displays. News. There are 4 possibilities, and if you decide that some documents should be shown at displays, you can go into the document binder and you can publish it here. There are 4 possibilities That means you publish into the team main IT news, general news. You can select it here. Maybe you can make IT here. We set binary type as IT, and now we can publish it. We push the button, then we go, and in this area IT will see our PDF. Okay, we have got different modules here. Also project management. You can use Kanban, Scrum. You can decide what you want to use here. You can in each project you can enable IT support. You can use calendar here, chat applications. So I think it's interesting for many of people, because the download takes only 15 seconds, and if you want to use it in team, 1 minute. Also you have to copy the database into the network folder, then you have to adjust the path to the database, and that's all. And your team can use this application. I think it's very interesting, and I hope many of you will use it.